Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best shoelace replacement is probably one of the most overlooked ways to revitalize your favorite pair of Converse. Over time, shoelaces can become frayed, worn, or simply lose their appeal. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about replacing your shoelaces, from choosing the right type and length to the simple steps of the replacement process. Get ready to give your shoes a fresh new look. Number 5. Converse 54 White Flat Shoelaces. Is it time to refresh your favorite Converse shoes? These replacement laces are the perfect solution. They'll make them look brand new. These flat-style shoelaces are designed specifically for Converse shoes. They're a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and look. The classic white color complements any Converse shoe. It's a versatile choice that will match any style. They're easy to install. These laces are 54 inches long, suitable for shoes with 8 eyelets. Make sure this is the right size for your shoes. This will ensure a proper fit. Replacing your shoelaces is quick and easy. Simply remove the old ones and thread these new ones through. It's a simple upgrade. What we like. This one features the iconic white color, perfectly matching your classic white Converse. It's the standard length for most Converse shoes, ensuring a perfect fit. If you have a pair of high-top Converse and want to maintain the original look, you should definitely consider this. What people say. The length of this replacement shoelace is perfect for the boot-style sneakers. These look great but somehow seem to be higher quality than the original laces. Laces look great, the color is whole and makes my shoes look fresh. Number 4. Converse Black 45 Flat Shoelaces. Tired of worn-out laces? These replacement laces are designed specifically for your Converse shoes. They'll give them a fresh, new look. These flat-style shoelaces are the perfect fit for your Converse sneakers. They're designed to match the original laces, ensuring a seamless look. Made with high-quality materials, these laces are built to last. You can count on them to withstand daily wear and tear, keeping your shoes securely fastened. The classic black color complements any Converse shoe. It's a versatile choice that will keep your shoes looking stylish. Replacing your old laces is quick and easy. Simply remove the old ones and thread these new laces through the eyelets. It's that simple. What we like. This one offers a sleek black color, ideal for a more understated look. The shorter length is great for low-top Converse. If you are looking for a versatile option that complements any outfit, this is a great choice. What people say. It's the OEM laces. Perfect fit, no guesswork. Ordered the replacement size, 45s for 7 eyes, in black for my black leather low tops and I love them. Much better than trying to wash or keep the white laces clean. A little more stretchy than the original white laces, but still substantial and my shoes fit exactly the same as they did prior to switching the laces out. They fit my Converse I've had since 2010 just fine. Number 3. Converse 36 White Flat Shoelaces. Is it time to refresh your favorite shoes? These laces are designed to replace the old ones. They'll make them look brand new again. These are specifically made for Converse shoes. They are the perfect fit for a classic look. Get ready to step out in style. The flat design offers a sleek, timeless appearance. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. They are easy to thread and tie. These laces are 36 inches long, ideal for shoes with 5 eyelets. Make sure they fit your shoes before you buy them. It's a perfect match. Made to last, these laces can withstand daily wear and tear. They are made of high-quality materials. You can count on them. Replacing your laces is quick and easy. Simply remove the old ones and thread these through. It's a simple upgrade. What we like. This one comes in a crisp white and a shorter length. It's designed for Converse with fewer eyelets. If you like a clean, minimalist style and own Converse with a shorter lace length, this is the perfect option. What people say. Perfect size and good quality. Works great. I bought these for my daughter who wears orthotics. The shoelaces in her Converse shoes were too short and she needed a longer pair. These worked great. The product is good quality, but I found it is a little on the short side for a high-top shoe. It still fits, but could be longer to tie up. Number 2. Converse Flat Style Replacement Shoelaces. Are your Converse laces looking a little worse for wear? These replacement laces are the perfect solution. They'll give the shoes a fresh new look. These laces are designed specifically for Converse shoes. They are unisex and suitable for all. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. The flat style laces offer a classic look. They are easy to tie and stay securely in place. You can count on them to keep your shoes looking great. Replacing your laces is quick and easy. Simply remove the old ones and thread these new ones through. It's a simple way to refresh your shoes. Give your Converse shoes a new lease on life. These replacement laces are a must-have accessory. Get yours today and step out in style. What we like. This one offers a wide range of colors to match your style. Made from durable material, it ensures longevity. If you are looking to personalize your Converse with a pop of color and long-lasting quality, you should consider this. What people say. The shoelaces are the perfect length for my Converse sneakers. They are exactly what I was looking for and fit my Converse perfectly. The shoelaces are a great replacement for my old ones. Number 1. Converse Pink Flat Shoelaces, 36. Tired of your old laces? These flat shoelaces are the perfect replacement for your Converse shoes. They're stylish and easy to install. Add a pop of color to your footwear. The vibrant pink color will make your shoes stand out. It's a simple way to refresh your look. These laces feature a classic flat design. This style offers a clean and modern look. They are durable and long-lasting. These shoelaces are 36 inches long, which is perfect for most Converse shoes. Make sure to measure your old laces to ensure a good fit. They are designed for a comfortable fit. Replacing your laces is quick and easy. Simply remove the old ones and thread the new ones through. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. What we like. This one stands out with its vibrant pink color, adding a playful touch to your shoes. The shorter length is ideal for low-top Converse. If you like to express your personality with a bold color choice, this is the one for you. What people say. The shoelaces are the perfect length for my Converse. They are exactly what I was looking for and are holding up well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.